Shopping around for a home mortgage is an extremely important first step in the home buying process. Here's why. Hey everybody, welcome back. Brad Myers here again, 20-year home inspector turned real estate agent with Harmony Realty Group right here in Fulton County, Ohio. Mortgage lenders are just like any other company. They're all out there trying to compete for your attention and your business. And now the interest rates are starting to creep up. A lot of the refi business has gone away. Over the last couple of years, lenders were swamped with business because people were trying to refinance their existing loans to take advantage of the low interest rates that we've seen back then. However, now that interest rates are creeping up, a lot of that refi business is gone and lenders are refocusing their efforts on you, the first-time home buyer. So if you're thinking about buying a home, I strongly urge you to go get pre-approved by at least 3 different lenders first. One of the very first things I ask any client is, are you pre-approved? Who are you pre-approved with? And what type of loan are you pre-approved for? As a general rule, I ask my clients to shop locally first because local lenders have very competitive interest rates, and generally their loan origination fees are very competitive, if not lower than the big bank lenders. Now, when you start talking to a lender, there's a couple of numbers that you want to be very focused on. Number one is the interest rate. What's the interest rate? How long you're going to be locked in on that interest rate, before closing? And then what are your loan origination fees? How much are they going to charge you to give you this loan? There's a variety of fees that go along with the mortgage. Appraisal fee, documentation fees, loan origination fees, etc. You want to know what these fees are up front because, believe me, you don't want to find this number out at the closing table. And the last thing you want to know is what type of loan you're pre-approved for. Is it conventional, FHA, USDA, VA? They all have their advantages and drawbacks. At the end of the day, it's very important for you to remember that as a borrower, you have options. Lenders want to lend money. That's how they stay in business. If you have any questions on this, shoot me a DM, text me, call, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Take care.